Hi there. Chances are if you're watching this video, you're sitting in Mr. Haupt's AP Chemistry class. For my presentation, I'm going to talk about internal combustion reactions. Alright, so you need three things in order to do an internal combustion reaction. You need gasoline, oxygen, and an engine. The way this works is you have gasoline inside the car that gets drawn into the engine, and you have oxygen that gets drawn in from outside that reacts with the oxygen to have a combustion reaction. So when you have both of those things present in the engine, when you turn the car over and you turn over the ignition, you actually create a spark inside the engine that will eventually catch with the gasoline and cause a miniature explosion. This explosion pushes the pistons down right here in the engine. Each one of those cylinders has a piston inside of it, and when you ignite the gasoline, you push the piston down, and that transfers the energy of the gasoline into mechanical energy that can be used by the car in order to cause motion. Alright, so right now I'm going to demonstrate an internal combustion reaction. Watch. Alright, so earlier in the video you saw gas coming through this pipe right here. That's the product of the reaction, which is the exhaust in the car. The exhaust is made up of carbon dioxide and water. However, this only actually occurs if the oxygen and the gasoline are present in the correct stoichiometric ratio, which usually there is not. Usually there isn't enough oxygen. So as a result of that, usually incomplete combustion occurs, and instead of carbon dioxide being put through the exhaust pipe, carbon monoxide, which is a pollutant, comes out. And then the water that comes out, sometimes if you run the car, or if you leave a car sitting for a while, you'll see water come through the exhaust pipe, but usually it's just released as water vapor. Alright, so right now I'm going to demonstrate how you would use this reaction in a normal situation, aka driving. So right here, earlier I had the car in park, so the energy was just being lost as thermal energy, but here the energy is being used as mechanical energy to move the car.